Because reading is one of the great ways to learn English. It is always so exciting to have a new collection of English books. This box of English books was bought from China, and I really couldn't wait to unbox the box. Let's see what is inside. The level of this is level K. There is information about the book and all is written in Chinese. There are so many books in this box, and I will read level K01, Abigail Adams. All about kites. So number 2, K02, animals. Anna and the Navy Code. Barack Obama. Blackbeard the Pirate. Brainstorm Bear. This is level K08, the butterfly life cycle. Number 09, Carlos family celebration. Number 10, for level K10, chickens in my backyard. Number 11, there is Cinderella. Number 12, community government. Number 13, Die de los Muertos. Number 14, different. Number 15, Dr. King Memorial. Number 16, the dragon in the closet. Number 17, the drum. Number 18, earth water. Number 19 is the empty pot. Number 20, extreme animals. Oh, there are so many books here. I will see the number until what number is it. There is also a book with questions. At the back it is written in Chinese, but actually inside all are questions written in English. I think these are about the vocabulary in all of the books here. Okay, I will see the total books from here. From the last book. Level K83. So in total there are 83 books. Wow, so many books. And I will open the last book about Yellowstone, a place of wild wonders. Let's see inside this book. It's really nice. With every page has beautiful pictures. It's really nice. Every page has very clear and wonderful pictures. Wow, so happy to have these English books. Yellowstone, a place of wild wonders. Multi-level HKN, written by Mike Stark, Series National Parks. Introduction. Colorful pools and wild animals. Streams of hot water that shoot out of the ground. People can see these things and more at Yellowstone, which became the world's first national park in 1872. National parks are areas of special protected land. Steamboat Geyser, Bison Hot Spring. A hot spot. Many people who go to Yellowstone want to see Old Faithful Geyser. A geyser is a hole in the ground that shoots steam and hot water into the air. Yellowstone has about 300 of them. Old Faithful shoots water 100 feet or 30 meters high about every 90 minutes. Yellowstone supervolcano. Yellowstone is home to an old caved-in volcano. Over the past 2 million years, the volcano has had 3 big eruptions. The rim of the caved-in volcano is huge. It is more than 45 miles or 72 kilometers across in some places. People still watch Yellowstone closely. The volcano doesn't look as if it is going to erupt again soon. Old Faithful is not the largest geyser in Yellowstone, but it is the one most people go to see. Yellowstone is on top of a hot spot. Heat from Earth's center warms up rocks and rainwater in the ground. Then hot water and steam move up and shoot out of the ground. The hot spot has also made hot pools of smelly mud and many colorful hot springs. Yellowstone has the third largest hot spring in the world, or Maine. Mud pots are areas that are filled with clay and ash from volcanoes.